Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble text in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Choose a resolution of at least 300 pixels per inch for crisp results. Next, select the Type tool and type your desired text. Pick a bold, rounded font for the best bubble effect. Finally, right-click your text layer and convert it to a smart object. This allows for flexible, non-destructive edits later on. Now let's add the bubble effect using layer styles. Duplicate your text smart object. Double-click the duplicated layer to open layer styles. Apply a bevel and emboss with a depth of around 150% and a size of 10 pixels. Set the contour to ring or half round. Then, add an inner shadow and an outer glow to enhance the three-dimensional look and give it a soft, luminous edge. To refine the bubble appearance, fine-tune your layer styles. Experiment with the bevel and emboss settings, increasing the size slightly to about 12 pixels for a softer edge. Adjust the inner shadow's distance and size to create a more pronounced internal highlight. For a vibrant touch, add a subtle gradient overlay, perhaps from a light color to a slightly darker shade, at an opacity of 20 to 30%. For the final touches, create a new layer above your text. Use a soft, white brush at a low opacity, around 20%, to paint subtle highlights on the top and edges of your bubble letters, mimicking light reflection. Similarly, add soft shadows underneath. You can also experiment with different background colors or textures to make your bubble text truly pop and stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.